not waste any more time. And firstly, let's take a little trip down memory lane and see the kind of smiles that Thomas Cook has brought to so many faces in the last so many years. So now that we've got the whole holiday spirit back, we know what it's like जब हम थॉमस कुक के साथ ट्रिप्स पर जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हर मोड़ पे एक नया सरप्राइज, कहीं मस्ती, कहीं हंसी मजाक. एंड मस्ती और हंसी मजाक की बात अगर हम कर ही रहे हैं, so let's call the expert in that department as well, one of India's finest stand-up comedians, who's also featured in Netflix last year and has actually been spoken about as one of the world's finest stand-up comedians. CNN has rated him as one of India's top 20 stand-up comedians. I think he needs absolutely no introduction. I'm so excited to welcome Atul Khatri, who's going to take the energy levels up of this show so many levels higher. Good evening, Atul. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Good to meet you back again. We met once long time before the pandemic, and pleasure to be working with you, and also pleasure to be working with Thomas Cook. Honestly, let me tell you, when I started watching this program, the first, you all showed those photographs of all people traveling, all those memories, and honestly, somewhere down there, I'm feeling very sad. Yeah, even I want to go back. But then I heard Mr. Menon's speech and the lovely thing, and I said, my God, we are all ready to go back. Yeah.
Absolutely ready to go back, but I have to say that this lockdown hasn't dulled your spirit one bit. I've been watching your lives and you're absolutely fabulous. Really looking forward to hearing from you this evening. Over to you.
Thank you, Pooja. But also, first of all, thank you, Thomas Cook, once again. But one good thing, which I've been observing a lot of things while traveling. Last 2-3 years, I was traveling a lot because of comedy. Last 6 months, I've been obviously sitting at home. But now with this Thomas Cook, I'm quite excited to take my family for a holiday. But one thing I've been observing is how airlines have a love and hate relationship with us Indians. Yeah. Airlines love us Indians when we are outside the aircraft, and they hate us when we are inside the aircraft. So let's talk about love first. See, we Indians are late everywhere. We are late for a comedy show. We are late for our own funeral. But when it comes to international travel, we are the most punctual race on earth. 12 baje ki flight, 8 o'clock, all of us sitting at the airport, I remember when I was going to London, my flight was at 12 o'clock last year. At 9 o'clock, I was sitting at, bachcho ko 5 baje subah utho, bachcho, chalo, niklo yahan se, But the reason we Indians, like to go early, because we want to be the first person to get inside the aircraft and put things in the overhead baggage. Because how heavy we travel. I am not joking. Whenever I travel, my wife never asks me where we are going, which airline, what is the connection. Her first question to me is, how much weight are we allowed? And if we are allowed 23, we are already at 25. Handbag 7, we are already at 10. See, because we Indians love to overthink, What if this plane crashes somewhere on an island? We should have our medicines, our steam inhaler, everything, clothes for 10 years, medicines, khakra, thepla, chevra. We can, sow all this and start our own civilization over there. And now let me tell you why airlines hate us. And this is a true story. I was going to London, मैंने बताया last year. There was this Indian couple next to me. वो जो husband था ना, वो घर से खिंचा हुआ था. और he had come with a mood to fight. वो सीट पे बैठा मेरे बाजू वाले सीट पे. After some time he started pressing the button. He's telling me, look, all these British Airways air hostess, all are racist. I said, क्या हुआ? He said, dude, see, I'm pressing the button. She's looking, but she's not coming. I said, गधे, you're pressing the light का button. बाजू वाला air hostess का button दरा, आएगी वो. वो देखा ऊपर उसने press the right button. She came. He's saying, sir, yes, what's the problem? He's saying, my in-flight entertainment system is not working. He's saying, sir, what is the problem? He's saying, see, my movie is Hindi. I can hear English. My wife's movie is Hindi. She can hear English. She can hear Hindi. He's saying, sir, headphone का jack अपने अपने खड्डे में मत घुसाओ. अपने खड्डे में घुसाओ, उल्टे खड्डे में मत घुसाओ. वो headphone का jack swap किया, problem solved. But nahi, he had come with a mood to fight. They started serving lunch after some time. He said, I want Asian Hindu veg meal. Poor thing looked at her also. She's saying, but sir, this meal you have to order from before. We don't have it like that. No, I want Asian Hindu veg meal. And honestly, she was being very nice to him. Sir, can I get you some bread? Can you get some fruits? No, I want Asian Hindu veg meal. Tell him to make it. This guy thought there's some Ramu Kaka sitting behind on the tail making live food. And she said, "Acha kya pav bhaji khaoge?" But this was not enough. This was not enough. We were about to land in London. And they gave these immigration forms to us. And the aerostess gave me 4 because I had to fill for my entire family. Now, let me stop here and tell you something. My wife is a graduate in economics. My one daughter is a graduate in finance. My second daughter is a double graduate in psychology. Highly educated. But when it comes to filling immigration forms, उनके हाथ में लकवा आ जाता है. No, Papa, we don't know how to fill. आप भरो. So I was quietly filling for 4 of them when this guy next to me thought that this entire row had outsourced the job to me. He gave his form, sir, मेरा भी भरिए ना आप. I said, तू खुद का भर, मैं तेरा फॉर्म क्यों भरूं? नहीं सर, हमको इंग्लिश नहीं आता है. साले 8 घंटे से इंग्लिश पिक्चर देख रहा है, भर. नहीं सर, एडजस्ट करो ना. अच्छा चल दे यार. I filled up his form, wrote his name, address in UK, Buckingham Palace, number of days in UK, indefinite, reasons for visiting UK, to bring back the Kohinoor Diamond. I filled this form, I gave it him, ja udhar immigration pe Manpreet beta, he'll take good care of you. Thank you, friends. Atul Khatri. I'll be back. We have an amazing show. We have some amazing offers here. Over to you, Pooja, for taking it on. I'll be back again with a very, very special guest who I'm very, very excited about. See you.
Thank you. And guys, nirash mat hoiye because he's going to be back. Atul Khatri is going to be back with a very, very, very big surprise. I already told you a little about it in the beginning and it's going to be crazier. Okay. But now is the time for a very interesting part of this evening. Jaisa ki maine aapko kaha tha when we started that we are going to actually be giving you an opportunity to bid your favorite packages at absolute steal deals, throwaway prices. You're going to get some crazy deals up here and it's amazing क्योंकि ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज रोज नहीं आती हैं बट वो भी ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऐसे स्केल पे बट आई थिंक interesting times teach us interesting things and wow look what we've got. Okay, मैंने भी कभी ऐसा holiday package auction attend नहीं किया है so I'm very tempted to put my bid there too but this time I'm just going to watch. Hopefully I'll get to travel to all these places at amazing prices myself soon too. अच्छा, अब हम bid शुरू करेंगे. हमारे सारे packages की bid जो है वो 5,000 rupees से ही शुरू होगी लेकिन let me tell you something very important. Two very important points. एक तो the incremental value in each bid, between each bid has to be a minimum of 500 rupees. So please don't give me odd numbers like 8,792. Itna math, itna ganit mujhe nahi aata hai. Simple round figures divisible by 500s. So please remember and we'd be only too happy if it'll be an exciting auction where we're increasing the bids by 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s. But still trust me, you're going to get it at an absolute throwaway price. All right. And remember, हमारे पास बहुत सारे मजेदार packages हैं, but the last one, like they say, keep the best for the last, is going to be the craziest one. चलिए, अभी इस पे ध्यान देते हैं. हमारा starting amount है 5,000 rupees and we start with our bid now. Also, बिड के कहीं भी मैं बोल दूंगी that the bid is over, so you lose that chance. तो अगर आपके मन में कोई अमाउंट है, सिर्फ किसी का इंतजार मत कीजिए कि वो 500 बढ़ाएगा तो ही मैं और 500 बढ़ा के लास्ट में बोलूंगी. बोल दीजिए छप्पड़ फाड़ के दिल खोल के. Finally we are getting to travel and irrespective of what you get it at, it's still going to be that fabulous deal which is going to be worth every single penny. So come on, start 5,000 rupees and it is per head. Let me tell you, ये जो package है, it is a per head, okay? And the best part about this is, like also, of course, Menon sir explained to us, but let me also tell you, you can use this within a year. तो अगर अभी आप एकदम से कर पाएंगे, you can wait, you can figure your program out and you can go anytime within a year. So guys, what are you waiting for? A couple of months later, you are not going to get an opportunity like this. So we're already going strong, and we're going to go even stronger when I talk about that beautiful zip line जिससे आपको ये पूरी खूबसूरत सिटी दिखाई देती है. एक बात उदयपुर के बारे में कि वहां जाते ही इंसान, you just start feeling like royalty, and I'm sure most of you will agree with me. एक तो the calm, serene and the whole mood, उसकी हवा में कुछ है, and ऊपर से you just start feeling like royal family, especially when you're staying in a place like Fatehgarh. You cannot go wrong. So guys, once again, it is a hidden gem of India, not just brought forward by Thomas Cook, but every single detail has been curated specially for you. And ek baar phir se main, wow, we're at some amazing numbers. We're going a lot higher than 7,000 now. Come on, we can do a lot better. 29,900 is the actual amount. So we're going to need to start raising the bar a lot higher. Remember that it's not just the entire Fatehgarh experience, but it's everything that comes with it. That vintage car ride. Can you even imagine हमारे Instagram के लिए क्या photos मिलेंगी हमें उसमें? आजकल ये सब सोचना पड़ता है. Alright, but we're getting some very good amounts. I think we're already at a 20 something. I'm going to keep you guys guessing, but go for it, guys. Go for it, because even at these prices, your ऐसा मौका रोज बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता. And think about that private dining. उदयपुर के वो राजस्थानी खाने के बारे में तो आपने सुना ही होगा. In fact, Alexa, why don't you play me a Rajasthani folk song and let's get the whole mood. Alexa, can you play me Rajasthani folk music? So let me give a little feeling to you guys. Let me start making you actually feel like, you're sitting in Udaipur by this beautiful lake, and फिर शायद अपने आप, you never know, the amount goes from where to where. Okay, and trust me, COVID is covered. COVID insurance is covered. Everything has been looked into. Okay, the bid stops. We have got a winner at a fabulous prize. Bipin Gandhi has won himself this package at 25,000 for a person. Congratulations, Bipin. Our team is going to get in touch with you. And please, wahan pe hame zarur yaad karna and have a wonderful trip. And trust me, we've got two very interesting packages again, which we're going to be putting on an auction here. But before that, let's have Atul Khatri back to pump you guys up a little bit. Atul, I think we really need you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pooja. I mean, what amazing offers here. Fortunately for me, on my screen, I didn't have the little chat box down. Can you hear me? So I could not.
Yes, we can pretty much hear you, and I think on behalf of you and me both, Thomas Cook, we need that chat box too. We need that chat box.
But yes, actually, but let's get on to the next segment, which I'm very, very excited for, because it is with one of my favorite persons. So, ladies and gentlemen, you already have the name up on screen, but let me tell you very, very clearly. We all know him as Dr. Asthana from Mumbai, Munnabai MBBS. We know him as Virus from Three Idiots. And in this pandemic, I actually saw a movie called Made in China. I know आजकल Made in China से दूर रहते हैं, but I saw a movie called Made in China, and there's an amazing character called Dr. Vardi in that. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me please, my pleasure and honor to welcome on stage one of the kindest human beings I've worked with, one of such an humble gentleman, and one of my favorites, Mr. Boman Irani. So let's all give a round of applause for Mr. Boman Irani.
Can't wait. Good evening. Welcome.
Hi everybody.
Hello sir. Good evening sir. How are you?
Hey,
Hi sir. How are you?
You're one of my favorites. Sir बोल के तो सब खराब कर देते हैं. Sir मत बोलो यार.
Actually, you are looking younger than me sir. So अभी से Boman बुलाऊंगा sir.
One sec. Hey, hello. I am younger than you.
Okay. Oh sorry, I forgot.
Yeah. Okay. So don't say you're looking younger than me. No, don't crack these jokes and all. Yeah, I am younger than you. I am also looking. Yeah, You said your age was what? 71. कितना था?
नहीं sir, 52 है. 52.
Oh, sorry. Then I'm really sorry, because I am older than you. I'm 61.
Oh wow. But first, before we start the question, sir, I want to ask you one very basic question. I think सब लोगों के mind में है. Are you wearing trousers? Because I am not.
Yes. No, and don't stand up, please. Whatever you do, I know you're a stand-up comedian. If you're not wearing trousers, don't stand up. बहुत problem हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Zoom कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी, ये बहुत कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. Don't stand up. I am wearing trousers. You want to see? You want to see?
No, no, no,
Shall
no,
I stand up?
no. Please, please.
Okay.
But
But I want
before
to
we
say something
start,
before we start. Atul,
please,
before we
apologize.
start, I want to say something. I want to go on record by saying this. You are my all-time favorite, Atul.
Hey, thank you, sir.
I'll tell
Thank
you
you
this.
so much. Thank you.
You are such a. I'll tell you what. Not only are you funny, you are so funny. You're adorable. You've got the most. Your comedy for me is so relatable. It's like the joke happened to me. It's just that somebody like you, not just to me, to everybody is listening. But when you say it, you say, "Arey, something like that kinda happened to me also." But you make that little observation and make it so universal. You are blessed, not because you're just a funny person. You're blessed because you're such a wonderful family man. And every time I hear about you and your family and your kids and the way you say stories, it not only gladdens my heart, I laugh. I turned on my camera before my entry, but back end पे उन लोग ने मेरा कैमरा बंद कर दिया था, तो मेरा कैमरा भी ऑन था, मेरा ऑडियो भी ऑन था, और मैं समझ रहा था कि मैं सुन रहा हूँ पूरा. I mean, you all can see me laughing away. मैं ऐसे ऐसे हंस रहा था, ऐसे ऐसे जा रहा था, अतुल ऐसे ऐसे हंस रहा था. वो हेडफोन्स के वायर क्रॉस हो गए तो मैं पागल हो गया उसमें, और वो I just went crazy. Also the form that you filled up for that guy, Manpreet, to rob the Kohinoor diamonds.
But how is the lockdown treating you, sir? How is the lockdown treating you?
Okay, lockdown. I did it in a little in my philosophical way थोड़ा, कि ये लॉकडाउन होना है, जब खुलेगा, मतलब वायरस नहीं बोलेगा, मतलब ये टाइमलाइन है कि अब खुले. You just have to go for it and make the best of it. In the lockdown, I have spent a lot of time with my family. I have spent a lot of time with myself. All my skill and my craft that has got me to a position in life, I rehearsed all of that to become sharper again, to become a better student again, to sharpen all my tools as an actor, as a writer, as whatever. But you have to sharpen your tools, because when everything opens, धमाल होने वाला है. And once it opens, you don't want to be rusty. You don't want to be rusty. बोलो यार देखो, चलो एक पिक्चर देखते, एक और पिक्चर देखते, चलो अतुल खत्री का नेटफ्लिक्स शो देखते. वैसे भी 4 लोगों ने देखा ना, आप ही ने तो बोला है. नहीं, it's too good यार. अतुल मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. So you cannot say I can spend my entire lockdown watching films. You have to, just as the atmosphere is cleansing itself, the sea is cleaning itself, we also have to cleanse ourselves. I think it's part of the whole cleansing process. You have to try to be better human beings, and I think you have to accept it. हमारे सर पे कोई बॉम्ब नहीं गिर रहा है. वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 नहीं है. वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 तो 4-5 साल चलते रहा. हिरोशिमा नागासाकी क्या गुजरी होगी. earthquakes है, volcanoes. We are just asked to stay at home. चुपचाप घर पे बैठो.
So simple.
You're getting, yeah. Other people, just enjoy your life and be grateful, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ है, पैसों की तकलीफ है, खाने की तकलीफ है. जिनको ये तकलीफ नहीं है, थैंक यू बोलो. बस ये मेरा थोड़ा स्पीच हो गया, प्रीच हो गया थोड़ा.
नहीं sir, आपके everything is so nice. What have you missed in the last 6 months? Anything you missed in the last 6 months? You know, like I missed like some places to eat, you know, and a lot of other things. Also performing with you, but अभी तो luckily thanks to Thomas Cook we are both sharing the same screen. But what did you miss most in the last? Did you miss anything in the last 6 months?
You know, मैंने ऐसे तय करके रखा था कि मैं ऐसे ये जवाब का सवाल नहीं दूंगा किसी को भी, क्योंकि मैं जब बोलूंगा मैं मिस करता हूं तो और लॉन्गिंग होती है वो चीज के लिए. तो लेकिन I say there are 2 things I miss. I miss going and meeting my friends, and I also miss traveling. I'm a big travel person, huge. मतलब मैं हमेशा बुक के अंदर मेरे ट्रैवल के प्लान लिखते रहता हूँ. मैं लिस्ट बनाता हूँ, जितने लोग भी ज्वाइन करे वो लिस्ट में मैं भर के रखता हूँ. वी आर गोइंग नेक्स्ट ईयर हियर, वी आर गोइंग, विल यू वांट टू कम. और मैं थॉमस कुक के साथ मैं खुद जाता हूँ, पूछ के रखो, खुद जाकर ऑफिस में 4 या 5 विजिट करता हूँ. वहां एक रूम में बैठ के मैं उन लोगों का पारसी स्टाइल दिमाग खा जाता हूँ. मतलब मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, कितने दिन, फिर मैं सैटरडे पे जाऊंगा. हाँ, बमन बाबा जी बराबर बोला है, क्योंकि बमन बहुत सोच के आता है. तो they get fed up of me, but they love it, because I love to travel. Atul, why do you think I'm here? Why do you think I'm here? I
But
just love वो सब फोटोग्राफ देख के मैं पागल हो गया. अभी मैं जाके मैंने ऑलरेडी शुरुआत की 3 महीने पहले. कहाँ जाएंगे?
okay,
खुलते 7. हाँ, I'm a big traveler और मैं बहुत प्लानिंग करता हूँ ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में. I just love it.
but
I just love it. बोलो.
what which is the first place जो आपके बुक में आपने लिखा है which you would love to visit or travel, कुछ प्लान बनाया सर? I mean, can you share with us?
I think पहले में इंडिया में as usual जाना जरूरी है. इंडिया में जाना जरूरी है और फिर we'll
Correct.
start जहां पे मुझे लगे they are. अच्छा, एक मैं बात कहना चाहूंगा यार, थोड़ा थॉमस कुक को बुरा लगेगा शायद. मैं बोलता हूँ उन लोगों का, थोड़ा मैं गुस्से में हूँ. थोड़ा मुझे बोलने दो यार, मुझे बोलने
बोलो
में
सर,
थोड़ा
बोलिए
गुस्से
सर.
में हूँ.
फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है
इतने
सर, आप
लोगों,
बोलिए
मैंने
सर.
वो पैकेज का मैंने बिडिंग किया, मैंने बॉक्स के अंदर प्राइस भी डाला, मैं जीता भी, लेकिन कोई मेरे को जवाब ही नहीं दिया. आई डोंट थिंक दे वांट मी टू ट्रैवल. आई टेल यू व्हाई. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि दे डोंट वांट मी टू ट्रैवल. यू नो व्हाई? वैसे भी लोग वायरस से डरे हुए हैं ना. अभी वायरस ट्रैवल करेगा तो प्रॉब्लम बहुत डबल हो जाएगा ना. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई दे डोंट वांट टू ट्रैवल
and
यार.
that, and that
इसलिए
also with
मुझे
the
नहीं
surname like
जितवाया.
Irani.
आज मैं जीत गया था.
Correct. But sir, when you say you miss things about traveling, what is the aspect? Is it the airline, the hotel, or visiting the place? Like what's it like? Do you actually go and do sightseeing? या आप जाके chill करते हो? Like what exactly
Very
you do,
big.
sir? Usually.
I'm
हाँ.
big on sightseeing. पहले मैं
Okay.
when I
Wow.
was younger, but now my family likes to sightsee. देखो, I honestly like traveling में from the travel planning aspect. और सबको
Planning is very important.
मैं ओ बाप रे बाप, मैं फाइल बना के सबको डूज एंड डोंट्स, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, गाड़ी के अंदर हर वैन के अंदर कौन कौन से सीट पे बैठेगा, मैं मार्क करके चार्ट्स वार्ट बना के फोल्डर बना के देता हूं. आई एम क्रेजी लाइक दैट. ओके, आई लव द आइडिया. एयरपोर्ट का टाइमिंग के लिए एवरीबडी ऑन द ग्रुप, थोड़ा जोक्स वोक्स मार के. आई लाइक फ्लाइंग ऑल्सो, बिलीव इट और नॉट. I like to check in. I have everything. Check in में सबको की चाबी मैं देता हूँ. Even if the Thomas Cook guy is sitting over there, he thinks, sir, let me do it. I said, no, let me do it. Family को distribute मैं करूँगा. But they are so sweet. The Thomas Cook tour managers, they are like family members. They are so sweet.
Correct.
Number one.
Yeah.
Number two, I like to sightsee. I like to eat, but mostly I'll tell you what I like to travel, why I like to travel. I think your family and your friends that travel you to somehow become closer. Somehow you
Absolutely.
become more
Yes.
emotional. You somehow
Correct.
become more emotional. किसी के साथ, कोई cousin के साथ कुछ अनबन हो, तो वो sort out हो जाता है. I feel
Perfect.
that travel, going out, वहाँ की, I don't know what it is. Maybe you're relaxed. Maybe there's no stress of work. Maybe there's no pressure. You're going to enjoy. So everybody starts looking nicer. सब अच्छे लगने लगते हैं. ये भी जो मेरा वो cousin मेरे को वो बहुत अच्छा है. इधर आना डार्लिंग, इधर बैठना मेरे पे. You know, and you bond. Travel is about bonding.
Correct.
It's about family. It's not just about the buildings. I love to go to see sightseeing, but it's also about
Correct.
family. It's about youngsters understanding the value of what their parents are doing for them. Parents work very hard to take their children
yeah,
out.
of course. Of
Yeah,
course, sir.
तेरे
Ask me.
jokes में है. मैं थोड़ा seriously बोल रहा हूँ. तू तो बहुत प्यार. But when we do this show, Khatri, we do. I do for Thomas Cook. We do something called red carpet. One gala evening, Europe में एक gala evening where everybody comes, many groups come, and we have a gala evening dinner. वहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ गाना वाना करते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं और अवार्ड्स नाइट रखते हैं. फोटोग्राफ्स को मैं जज करके बेस्ट फोटोग्राफ्स कैटेगरीज बना के एंड वी हैव एन अवार्ड्स नाइट. उसका प्लानिंग में तो पागल हो जाता हूँ. 4 रात को मैं सोता ही नहीं. तो मैं अवार्ड्स रखते हैं. मेरे भी फैमिली टूर में जब मेरी फैमिली साथ में जाती है, 15 of us or so, we have अवार्ड्स नाइट. Who is the best dressed?
Wow.
Who is the worst? Yeah. So the photographs, we call in all the photographs, and the one thing I like the best, I tell the oldest person in the entire auditorium, speak to the youngsters. Tell the little youngsters how lucky they are.
Correct.
Tell them कि
Absolutely.
मतलब आज के जमाने में ये सब कर सकते हैं हम. 20 years ago, it was not possible. We did not
Yeah,
have the
yeah.
purchase power. Today we have, and our parents work very hard, and children should value it. Number one. And then I call the bachcha log, and I make one spokesperson. और वो बच्चे लोग 3-4 बच्चों को मैं बोलता हूँ माइक देके, thank your parents on behalf of everybody for what they're doing. And I think there should be an appreciation of what parents do for their
Absolutely.
children. All this is part of travel. Everything is part of travel.
Per-
It's the luxury
Perfect.
also. It is in the bus. It is the antakshari. It's the Ghana. It's the coziness. Romances happen.
Yeah.
No, let's not go there.
Yeah,
But
married.
it's travel. And there's an famous American writer called Mark Twain. Those people who don't travel, they get into things like racism and anger and things like that. Travel makes you see other people and appreciate other people. यार हम ऐसे एक ही टाइप के लोग नहीं है इस दुनिया में, अलग अलग किस्म के लोग हैं और कितने प्यारे हैं, और हम सीखते हैं दूसरे कल्चर से. ये जी. So anyway, थोड़ा मैंने बहुत प्रीचिंग कर लिया. आगे एक सवाल पूछो.
नहीं सर, आपके your words are very very important sir. I 2-3 things. You are very right. First of all, आजकल क्या हो गया ना, बॉम्बे में also even though the children are at home, but सब अपने अपने कोने में, अपने अपने रूम में, अपने phones में, अपने लैपटॉप में घुसे हुए हैं. तो I think a holiday with the family going out gets the bonding back. ये आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की. Secondly, I think the important part is that we become, I think, much more happier when we travel. I know whenever I travel and you enter the elevator, you see some other person, you say good morning, good morning. And my wife says, मैं तेरे साथ 25 साल, मेरे को तो कभी तूने गुड मॉर्निंग नहीं बोला, रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर्स को गुड मॉर्निंग.
आज भी ये जो प्लानिंग हो रहा है, सब लोग, बहुत सारे लोग आज अपने ये हमारी सेशन के बाद, I'm sure they must be planning. Let's give it a shot.
Yes.
There is flexibility, there is whatnot. So maybe why? How long are we going to live in fear also? But yeah, all precautions have been taken by Thomas Cook, and I know they do a great job with great brands. At least plan. At least think about it. It's lovely.
Correct.
It's beautiful. I don't care whether I'm invited or not. I will do one song before I go. Thoda.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This gets better and better and better.
The reason behind this is मेरे को एक ही गाना आता है, दो गाने नहीं आते, और बिन बुलाए मेहमान है. हाँ. और the reason is I want everybody to sing together. थोड़ा delay है, but it will sound very odd. It's a song from my film 3 Idiots. All right. It tells us that, tell the virus go, and virus is almost going. My assistant calls me and said, "Kitne din?" I said, "Abhi hati nikali, pooch reh gayi." I always say that.
Wow.
We are almost there. Yeah. We're almost there. And give me some sunshine, give me some rain. It's not a negative song, it's a positive song. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. ना 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 na 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 na. Oh, give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. Na 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 na. That was
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That is magic.
My God, that was magic. Enough cannot be said. I'm sure Atul will agree with me. Thank you. You've actually added that sparkle to this evening, that much needed sparkle. You and Atul both. Your session was the best part. Thank you so much. No. Don't say that. Please. Atul, I love you. You know that.
I
Yes,
love
thank
you,
you.
Sid. So I'll
Thank
take
you.
your leave. Everybody, travel safe, travel far, travel right, travel happily. Travel happily. And Thomas Cook, thank you so much. मैंने आपका मजाक उड़ाया थोड़ा because, but really, the humility with which they do these things on that red carpet. I've seen directors in the company fixing drinks for their passengers. I've seen directors, yeah, this is what Thomas Cook is for me, really, honestly. So God bless you all. See you,
Thank you.
Atul. See
Thank
you,
you. Thank you,
everybody.
Pooja.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Have a
Thank you.
wonderful, wonderful day. Good night.